Good morning friends. In the previous lectures we are solved the sum problems of a chapter pair of the linear equation in two variable according to the method of substitutions. So we are talking about the method of the graphical method, substitution method, and third method is a elimination method. What is the elimination method? In the case of the elimination method, you either solve for the x, either for the y. You eliminate one variable, either x, either y. So you find the value of another variable. So this is called as the method of elimination. Here you see that the question is of exercise. Here is the exercise is given. Exercise number 3.4. The question number first is given that x plus y this is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y this is equal to 4. So according to the exercise, that question is, this is the exercise number 3.4. So x plus y this is equal to 5 and another equation 2x minus 3y this is equal to 4. Here I have done first equation, that x plus y this is equal to 5. This is the equation number first. And in the second, 2x minus 3y it is equal to 4. This is the equation number second. So here you see, either you remove x, either y. There is a x and here is a 2. And there is a 3, there is a y. So you multiply first equation by 3. If I multiply first equation by 3, then you see that this is the 3x. You multiply this 3 into x, so 3x. Then 3 into y, this is the 3y, it is equal to 3 5s are 50. Means you multiply all the variable and constant in that equation. In the second equation, I write down as it is 2x minus 3y, it is equal to 4. This is the equation number first and this is the second after the multiplication. Here you see, you also can do in x, suppose that here is a 2x, so here you multiply by the 2. So you see the sign, here is a 3y positive and 3y is a negative. If both signs are the same, then after the addition or sum, after the sum of two equations, if you take the sum of two equations, then this positive and negative sign cancel to each other because both are same. So 3x plus 2x it is equal to 5x, it is equal to 15 plus 4 it is equal to 19. So x is equal to 19 divided by 5. This is the value of x. In the second condition, you just find the value of x. After that you put up this value of x in any equation, either equation number 1, either equation number 2, then you can find the value of y. So from equation 1, that this is the x plus y is equal to 5, then value of x is equal to 19 upon 5 plus y, this is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5. Y is equal to 5 5s are 25 minus 19 divided by 5. So y is equal to 25 minus 19, it is equal to 6 upon 5. So the value of y is equal to 6 upon 5. So the solution of the equation is that x is equal to 19 upon 5 and y is equal to 6 upon 5. So you can apply the elimination method. You can solve these equations given in two variables. We are going to solve next questions. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given that 3x, here is a 3x minus 5y minus 4, this is equal to 0. You also write down as like this, 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. This is the equation number first. In the second equation, This is the 9x plus is equal to 2y plus 7. Therefore, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is the equation number 2nd. So, equation number 1st and 2nd are given. Here you see in the equation number 1st there is a 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Here is a 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. You see in the case of y there is a 5 and here is a 2. So, you multiply in the equation number 1st with the 2 and equation number 2nd with the 5. If I multiply the equation number 1st by 2, so this is a 2 3 is 6x minus 2 5 is 10y is equal to 2 4 is 8. Then this is the 5 9 is 45x minus 5 2 is 10y is equal to 5 7 is 35. Here the sign are same. Then after the subtraction, here you see the sign will be changed. This is the negative, positive, this is the negative. So 10y is cancelled with 10y, 6, this is the 6x and this is the 45. So 6x minus 45, so this is equal to that, it is equal to minus 39x. It is equal to, here is a minus 35 and plus 8. So this is the negative, this is the positive. So at that situation 35 minus 8, 35 minus 8 it is a 27. So this is a minus 27. Minus is cancelled by minus. X is equal to 27 upon 39. 3 9s are 27. This is a 13 3s are 39. So x is equal to 9 upon 13. This is the value of x. This value of x you put up in any equation. Suppose that I put up this value in equation number 1 from equation number 1 if x is equal to 9 upon 13. You put up the value of 9 upon 13 in equation number 1st. So this is the 3x, it means 3 into 9 upon 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. So you see 13 9s are 27 upon 13, this is the minus 4, it is equal to 5y. You take the LCM, 27 minus 13 4s are 52 and divide by 13 is equal to 5y. So 52 minus 27, 52, here is a 12 minus 7. So 12 minus 7, it is a 5. Then this is equal to 4 minus 2, it is a 2. Therefore it is a negative. So minus 25 upon 13, this is equal to 5y. 5 5s are 25. So y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. Therefore answer is that x is equal to 9 upon 13 and y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. So this is the answer. So use this method, you can solve the questions, and this is the easiest method for the solution of linear equations in two variables. We are also solving some words problem related to this exercise. Next question number 2nd of 2nd. You take the question number of 2nd. I read the questions. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be the twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So, if the age are not given at that situations, this is the question number 2nd of 2nd. So, first I say the age of the present age of Nuri is x year. and the present age of Sonu is y year. Then according to the condition, first condition, here the first condition is given. According to the first condition, that Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu 5 years ago. 5 years ago, it means you subtract 5 in the present age. So x minus 5 is equal to y minus 5. It means 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice old as Sonu. It is a thrice. This number is a thrice to that numbers. So you multiply here by 3. So there is a x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 3 5s are 15. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 15 and plus this minus 5 goes there to plus 5. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is the equation number first. According to the second condition, here second condition is also given. According to the second condition, the second condition is that, here second condition is given that 10 years later Nuri will be twice old Sonu. 10 years later, it means 10 years after 10 years, it means you add 10. So x plus 10, it is equal to y plus 10. Nuri is a twice old as Sonu. It means you multiply with the 2 of the age of Sonu. So I multiply, so x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Therefore x minus 2y, it is equal to 20 minus 10. So this is the x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the equation number second. You see equation number first and second. Equation number first is x minus 3y, this is a minus 10, and this equation x minus 2y, this is equal to 10. So here you see that x, you take the first equation. So here is a x minus 3y, it is equal to minus 10. Here is a x and this is also, so you after the subtraction, sign will be changed. This is a negative, so this is a positive and this is also the positive. So x is cancelled by x. This is the plus 3, this is the minus 2. So it is equal to y. 10 plus 10, it is equal to 20. So the age of Sonu is 20 years. Next, if you take the equation number first, so from equation number first, if you take the equation number first, then x minus 3y, it is equal to minus 10. So 3 minus, sorry, x minus, this is the x not 3, x minus 3y. So you put up the value of y. So x minus 3 into 20, it is equal to minus 10. Therefore 23 is 60. So x minus 60, it is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 and plus 60. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 plus 60, it is equal to 50 years. So the age of Nuri is 50 years and the age of Sonu, it is a 20 years. Now